Hi and welcome to Cheekyricho Cooking's potato bake cooked in the Ninja Foodi. This is so delicious and so easy. It cooks very quickly and tastes amazing. We're using some of our homemade chicken stock. I've showed you how to make that in a different video. I've just removed all the fat from it. We have got the Ninja Foodi here with some thickened cream, veggie salt, pepper, onion, potatoes, parmesan cheese and our bacon. So to the Ninja Foodi, put it onto the sear saute function just in the short term. We're going to toss in our stock and let it melt because it's gloopy. Our potatoes go in there now. They've been cut very thinly, okay? So just separate them all out. 600 grams of potatoes, or 3 medium-sized potatoes there. We're going to pressure cook this on high for about 5 minutes. Leave the bacon to the last minute because the bacon is going to go on top and we're going to use the grill function. Onions go there now, just break up those rings. Sprinkle it with the vegetable salt, freshly cracked pepper. Give it a bit of a stir around so that everything's come into contact with that gorgeous homemade chicken stock. Okay, alrighty. Okay, pressure cooker lid goes on. Now, close the vent, set the pressure to high and 7 minutes. Press start. Okay, the 7 minutes is up. We're just going to force release the steam and remove the pressure cooker lid. I'll just remove our lid now. You can see it's really quite soft. Sprinkle our bacon over the top. Dollop our cream over the top of that. And sprinkle it with our cheese. Now I'm using parmesan cheese, which is just grated parmesan cheese or shredded parmesan cheese. Okay. Close the lid. Put it onto the grill function for 15 minutes and it'll be ready to eat. Just keep your eye on it from time to time that it doesn't burn. You could put a sprinkle of herbs on there if you like, or even some paprika for some nice colour, and keep it going. It's only been going for 4 minutes so far. Okay, this has only been going for about 10 minutes and it's ready to serve. It's going to be tricky to get it out. There's lots of gorgeous flavours in there. Don't forget to serve this with some bread so that you can soak up all those gorgeous juices as well. I'm just going to fetch it out with a silicone spatula. There you have it, Cheekyricho Cooking's delicious potato bake cooked in the Ninja Foodi. Have a little taste, shall we? It is molten hot. Don't burn yourself. The sacrifices I make for you guys. For once, words failing. Thanks for watching.